So why is it that, well, you could be hitting all your numbers, your profitability numbers, your food cost numbers, your pour cost, bottled beer, draft beer, wine, liquor, like you're making budget, your labor cost is on point. You're making money on your profit and loss statement. It says you're making money. You're making a profit, yet you don't have money in the bank account. You're having a struggle paying your bills, or worse, paying yourself. I can tell you exactly why. Hey there, Restaurant Pro. This is Dave Scott Peters, restaurant expert, coach, and creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. And today I'm going to talk about how you can boost your cash flow by simply managing your inventory. Let me go backwards for a second. Yes, I often come across restaurants who show that they're making money on their profit and loss statement, yet they're struggling to pay their bills, or worse, themselves. How could this be? Right? You're making money. How is it that you can't pay yourself, that you're struggling to pay your bills? Well, I want to ask you a question. What pays your bills, cash or profits? Right? You understand? Cash. Cash is king. Because why? Profits, what are they good for? Paying taxes. There's these fancy accounting terms with amortization and depreciation that, well, they're not cash flow items. You may show you make money, but you don't have money. Or you could buy so much product that it increases your inventory. It doesn't change your use, but you're shelving money. Yet you look like you're supposed to be making money. Cash is king. The golden rule for any business is cash is king. In a recent video, I shared with you my experience with one of the worst managers I've ever worked for, where he walked me into a walk-in cooler and he said, "What do you see?" And I said, "Food." And he says, "No, money." The lesson he taught me is that everywhere you look is money. Whose money, restaurant owner? Your money. And the last time I checked, you can't go to the power company with a case of steaks and a case of Tito's and say we're even. They want money. So working toward getting excess of products off your shelves, when you work towards that one goal, you're going to put more money in your bank account. You're going to have less product on your shelves to be wasted, stolen, spoiled. This will not only increase your bank account, it'll improve your cash flow, but it will also help you control your cost of goods sold. Now, if you want to learn more about the key calculation to take control of your inventory, it's something called an inventory turn. And you can learn about that right now by watching this video right here. Be sure to join me live every Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time on YouTube, travel schedule permitting, where I'll get you pumped about the upcoming weekend, get you excited about crushing your goals and finding the motivation to be best you possible. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions live.